Right, question 1, Simpsons rule here. So we've got 7 orders, 6 strips, find the estimate. So first of all, I'll just put down the thing we're looking to do, with x to the 4 dx, and then that will roughly equal 2. So h then is 3 take away 0 divided by 6, which gives us 0.5, so it tells what our jumps are. So x0 is 0, x1 is 0.5, x2 is 1, x3 is 1.5, x4 is 2, x5 is then 2.5, and x6 then is 3. Our y values then, they're created by subbing those x values into the function. So it's 4 to the 0, 4 to the 0.5, 4 to the 1, 4 to the 1.5. This one's quite nice because the numbers coming out will actually be fairly whole, and then 4 to the 3. So we then put those values in, so it's a third h, now h is 0.5, and then it's adding our first 2 points, so y0 and yn, so 4 to the 0, yn is 4 to the 3, plus 4 lots of the odd y's, so that's y to the half, sorry, 4 to the half, 4 to the 1.5, and 4 to the 2.5, and then we're adding 2 lots of y to the 2, so that's 4 to the 1, 4 to the 1.5, 4 to the 1.5 at all, 4 to the 2, and then that's your lot, because your 4 to the 3 is used at your endpoint there. All that goes into the calculator, and it will give us 45.5 as our answer. You could put 91 over 2 or 273 over 6, but I would prefer it as decimal form, please. That's 1A done. 1B, part 1. Show that a root lies between here and here, so I then define a function of x as being the first graph, take away the second graph, because I put in a bracket the minus then makes the minus 2x become a plus, and then I put those values in, so f of 1.2 and f of 1.3. So that will then give us minus 0.3 and 0.7. So then we notice there is a sign change. So a change of sign, which then implies that the value, or the root, is between those two values. Part 2, we're then using an iteration formula, but we're going to prove first of all this equation can be rearranged. So we've got x to the 4 equals 8 minus 2x. Now you sort of look at where it's wanting you to go, and how it's wanting you to manipulate then. Oh no, so sorry, I've misread that, haven't I? The equation can be rearranged into this, so you just told that. Use the iterative formula, so sorry, making it harder than it needs to be. So x1 then is 1.2, so x2 then is going to be ln of 8 minus 2 lots of 1.2, and then that's all divided by ln 4, which will give you, once the 3 decimal places, 1.243, and then you sub in the 1.243 into this instead of the 1.2, and then that will give you 1.232 as the third value that you get out.